Hello and welcome to the course on Basic Electrical Engineering. In this lecture, I am going to explain superposition theorem. What is superposition theorem? This is the statement of superposition theorem. In any linear network, the response in any element resulting from a number of independent sources may be computed by summing the response to each individual sources with all other sources made inoperative. Okay, this is the statement of superposition theorem. In any linear network, the response in any element. Here response. Response means here it is current or voltage. Okay, the response in any element resulting from a number of independent sources may be computed by summing the response to each individual sources with all other sources made inoperative. In this example, determine Ix by using superposition theorem. Here, I find the response in 9 ohm resistor, that is current in 9 ohm resistor with 3 volt source acting, and make this 2 ampere source inoperative. Next, I will calculate the current in 9 ohm resistor with 2 amp source acting and make this 3 volt source inoperative. And finally, I will add the responses due to 3 volt source and 2 ampere source. So the total response becomes this Ix. See, in this circuit, first I will find the current in 9 ohm resistor with 3 volt source acting alone and make 2 amp source inoperative. Current source inoperative means current source inoperative means open circuit the current source. So if I open circuit the current source means I is equal to 0. So it is represented by open circuit. Now find Ix dash, which is the response in 9 ohm resistor using 3 volt source acting alone. Here that implies Ix dash is equal to voltage by resistance. What is the voltage? 3 by, what is the total resistance in this path? 6 plus 9 ohms. That implies Ix dash is equal to 3 by 6 plus 9. How much? It is 15. So which will equal to how much? 1 by 5. By 5, which is equal to 0.2 amps. See here in this I determined Ix dash, which is the response in 9 ohm resistor with 3 volt source acting alone and make this current source inoperative. Making current source inoperative means open circuit the current source so that current becomes 0 and it is represented by open circuit. Now the next step is determine the response or the current in 9 ohm resistor using 2 amps current source, making voltage source inoperative. Making voltage source inoperative. Voltage source inoperative means voltage source inoperative means short circuit the voltage source. Short circuit the voltage source. See here, the voltage source is short circuited. Then voltage becomes 0. Voltage source value becomes 0. So this is the meaning of making voltage source inoperative. So now find Ix double dash using 2 ampere source acting alone. So Ix double dash equal to, so by current division principle, total current into opposite resistance by, that is 6 ohm resistance by 6 plus 9. So if you simplify it, you will get 12 by 15, which is equal to 4 by 5. That implies Ix double dash is equal to 0.8 amps. So I have got Ix dash is equal to, so Ix dash is equal to how much? 0.2 amps, and Ix double dash is equal to how much? 0.8 amps. So now what is the total current? By superposition theorem, the total current in 9 ohm resistor is Ix is equal to Ix dash plus Ix double dash. How much value we have got? Ix dash, which is equal to 0.2 amps, Ix double dash equal to 0.8 amps. So Ix dash is 0.2 and Ix double dash is 0.8. So what is the total current value? Ix is equal to 1 amp. Okay, this is the total current which is flowing in the 9 ohm resistor. Okay, this is what? Superposition theorem. Now I will check whether this result is correct or not. Now I apply nodal analysis. So check whether our result is correct or not using nodal analysis. Okay, using nodal analysis. Okay, this circuit, I assume the node voltage to be V volts and this is the ground node. So writing nodal equation, V minus 3 by 6 plus ground node is at a potential of 0 volts, right? V minus 0 by 9 V minus 0 by 9, which is equal to 2. So nodal analysis is nothing but KCL plus Ohm's law. Leaving currents equal to entering current. If you simplify the above equation, what is the LCM here? Here LCM is 18. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So 3V minus 9 plus 2 volts is equal to 2. That implies 5V minus 9 equal to 36. That implies 5V is equal to 36 plus 9. That implies 5V is equal to 45. So voltage is now 9 volts. So here node voltage is 9 volts. That implies what is the current flowing through this 9 ohm resistor? That implies Ix is equal to what? V minus 0 by, here in this 9 ohm resistor I am determining current. So Ix is equal to V minus 0 by, what is the resistance value? 9. I is equal to V by R. So 9 by 9. So it is how much? 1. So that implies Ix is equal to 1 amp. So now observe here. Here Ix is equal to 1 amp, and by nodal analysis you have got Ix is equal to 1 amp. Hence superposition theorem is verified. Thank you.